Good morning, day 3, and we are going to Delhi. I'm in Jhansi now. In fact, we reached Jhansi. We reached Jhansi by 12 o'clock yesterday. We did cover some distance. We did 775 kilometers yesterday, and today we have another 450 or close to 500 kilometers to Delhi. First, with that mustard oil, I only wish, my stomach doesn't get upset, or I don't have problems with my stomach. I'm not used to mustard oil much.
Guys, this is the hotel we stayed yesterday, and then we're leaving. It is all set. Hotel, bye bye. So we'll leave. We'll have to put fuel, get into Jhansi Fort, take a look at it, and then leave. Why? What the hell? Anywhere these guys can stop. Chalo, let's follow. Chalo. Wow. This is the fort. People, this is Jhansi Fort. Take a look at it. I am not going to go inside because my main aim is to reach Delhi by today evening. Nice. Oh, this is Jhansi Fort. And whoops, this is the entrance of it. Fabulous. It looks good. Imagine during the king's time or the queen's time.
The woman who resisted the British army.
Exactly. Salute. Seriously. हाँ.
अंदर जाना है क्या?
नहीं जाना.
तो लेट हो जाएगा.
नहीं जाना. Okay.
So we are on a time constraint.
We cannot go, but it's just that we could pleasantly see the fort from outside. Otherwise, it will definitely take around 2 hours if you go inside. Nice. Guys, we have lost kind of 1 hour already because we expected to at least leave at 9:15, but then it's almost 10:15 now. The problem in these places is breakfast is available only after 9:30, 9:45. In fact, we were there at the restaurant today by 8:30, but that guy took his own sweet time to give it to us. They'll have to prepare everything at that time. क्या करें सर, सुबह टेंशन हो गया तो मुश्किल है. The only thing we can do is we can say all is well. This is another pan-India problem, boss. Level crossing. People can come and go any way they feel like. What is that? There's a breakdown.
Yes. If I'm not wrong.
Oh.
But it's a road rage.
Road rage, is it?
Yes, it's a road rage.
नहीं, touch हो गया.
Hi, good morning. How are you? Where were you yesterday?
Seriously. कैसे मार दिया भाई?
Okay.
अब चलिए.
He said here. Sorry, Lord, help me enter.
Oh shit. Hey chief, where were you yesterday? Oh, you were at Sagar, is it? Oh. Chalo. Let's go. Oh, nice location. This is another accident. Oh yeah, bhai. Oh, this is bad. Guys, you should understand that even two-wheeler pays road taxes. See the kind of condition, space we have to cross the tolls. The biking community needs to protest, boss. Seriously, I'll tell you what, we should start including it in our YouTube videos or in our videos and tell people, boss, have some respect towards two-wheelers also. We've reached Gwalior. We've done 85 kilometers from morning and it's 12 o'clock. We started late. Kya kare bhai? What to do? We've been riding from past 2 days. Vinay has not slept properly. I've also been sleeping nice. I've been having my 5 hours quota. Some kind of a fort here, no? But it's all in ruins. So Agra is 95, Delhi 296. Murina is 16. Do we stop at Murina, boss? Puncher ಆಗಿ ಹೊಡೆದಿದೆ. What happened? Oh, bike ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. The bike is in the ditch. अच्छा,
इस गाड़ी का ड्राइवर हूँ।
ओ ये गाड़ी का ड्राइवर है। अच्छी बात है, अच्छी बात है। नाइस। कहाँ से हो? कहाँ से हो?
मध्य प्रदेश, इंदौर।
ओके, मध्य प्रदेश से। अच्छी बात है।
ठीक है सर।
चलो, ओके, सी यू। ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ ಏನು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವರು ಹೊಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. Okay, great. We finished up with the launch. We stayed here for some time and also booked our rooms. Now we'll be going to the room and stay. We're gonna take some rest because we've done a lot of kilometers. 3 days to Delhi from Bangalore is a big deal, and people stay with us, and we'll go to Delhi. All done, guys? Good. चलो चलो
लीड करो.
हाँ, लीड करना है क्या? वो भी लीड करेगा, मैं भी लीड करूँगा. ओए गाड़ी इंद ಗ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. भाई साहब, हेलो भाई साहब, साइड में तो खड़ा करो यार, हम तो निकल जाएंगे. कितना ट्रैफिक है भाई, साइड में खड़ा कर दो. साइड में डालने के लिए बोलो सर, हम तो निकल जा सकते हैं ना. वो साइड में डाल के उसको डांटिए ना, उसको मारिए, कुछ तो कीजिए, मगर साइड में डालने के लिए बोलिए. हाँ चलो चलो चलो. Go. I'm going. अरे one more burger यार. Mathura. Guys, we have reached Mathura. We still have another 164 kilometers to go. That is to the resort though. Whatever. But anyway, by another 4 hours we're going to reach there. And we're gonna hit the bed. We're gonna hit the bed. Seriously, we are tired, extremely tired. The josh is high, but then like the back's aching, bum was numb. So
3 days, Bangalore to Delhi. We still have another 100 kilometers to go. So we stopped here for chai. So we'll have chai now and then leave by another sometime. So it will take another 1.5 hours. With the traffic of Delhi, it will take 1.5 hours for us to reach. So stay with us and we'll catch up.
Chalo guys, let's go.
चलो.
Yep. So people, another 100 kilometers to Delhi, or it's actually 90 kilometers to Delhi, but then it's an 108 kilometers to our resort, which is around 20 kilometers away from Delhi. This is how it is. We are also exhausted, body is aching, but then the josh is high. Even Horrible traffic, horrible traffic. We're still 66 kilometers away from our resort, and ETA says 1 hour 47 minutes. Ooh, wow, it looks good.
The way we entered and the path we are going now is totally different.
I know.
Huh?
Oh, I got into that place too. It was stinking so badly. For what? For what? Around 5 kilometers it was stinking, no? Oh, whoa.
This is Udyog Vihar, Delhi.
Great. Finally, we've got into the resort. Nowhere. So stage one of our trip is done. So let's go and take some rest.
People, see our faces. We are dead. Finally, we've reached Delhi, and see our condition. Our condition is very bad, and the phase 1 of our trip is completed. We've come down to Delhi. We're going to stay here. We're going to take rest tomorrow also. This is how it is, guys. Let's go hit the bed. Very tired, very tired. Guys, this is our room. We just shifted in, dumped all the material inside. All our top boxes, tying bags, saddles, everything is here. That's my Viterra claw bag. This is how the room looks. Come here. We're not going to do a lot of things. We're very tired, so we'll go hit the bed.